Welcome students in physics class of class 10 about the topic formation of image by convex lens. We have discussed some cases of formation of image in this convex lens. Next cases we will discuss today the fourth case when object is kept between f1 and 2f1. When object is kept between f1 and 2f1, where will be the image formed in this case? Today we will discuss. Okay, so as we know that convex lens forms both types of images, real image as well as virtual image. Virtual image is always erect, real image is always inverted. Here real image is formed in this case, so try to discuss here. AB is object, A2 is height which is kept between the focus f1 and 2f1. Take the ray diagram. So first rule we apply the incident ray of light parallel to the principal axis after refraction passes through focus in convex lens. So we have applied here. Okay, so AD after refraction passes through F2. Next, ray diagram of light. So AC, which passes through the optical center of the lens and which moves straight without any deviation, and after the refraction they intersect beyond 2F2. Where large image is formed. We can see that from the diagram this image is inverted. It means it is real and HI is greater than HO. Height of image is greater than height of object. So it forms magnified image in this condition. So nature is real, inverted, magnified, and HI, size of image, becomes greater than the size of the object. Okay, and this is the U, object distance, and this is the image distance, the distance of the image from the optical center B, which can be taken here in this case positive. And here it is always taken here negative optical from optical center. So this is the formation of image in the fourth case. We will discuss next case, fifth case. Fifth case is what? If the object is kept at f1. If the object is kept at f1. So try to draw the diagram. When object is kept between, we will remove this and we will write at f1. The image is formed at infinity. The image is formed at infinity. As we know that when object is kept at infinity, its image is formed. Its image is formed at focus, and vice versa. If object is kept at focus, its image is formed at infinity. So we can draw the ray diagram of this like that. So there is a lens in convex lens, and this is the optical center. This is focus f1. This is f2 f1, and object is kept here. AB object can be kept. So take the ray diagram. incident ray parallel to principal axis. After refraction, it passes through, it moves through focus. So, and next ray diagram, next incident ray of light, it moves parallel to this line is refracted line, and they do not intersect any point. So this can be at infinity. Assume that there is a wide range that both are parallel. So here image is formed at infinity. We assume image is formed at infinity. So nature of image is nature similar, real, inverted and magnified, very large image can be formed at infinity, beyond our eyesight. So this is the formation of image when object is kept at focus, then its image is formed at after the refraction. They do not intersect here. So we assume it can be at infinity. Last case 6. Here, when object is kept between optical center and focus. So case 6, we can see here when object is kept between F1 and optical center C. Image is formed on the object side. Image will be formed, which will be the erect. That is virtual image is formed. This is the only one case in which virtual image is formed in convex lens. We will discuss here. So try to draw the lens, convex lens, and draw this. This is the optical center. This is F1. This is 2F1, and object is kept here. Now see the object. So take after the refraction, they pass through the focus F2 on the other side, and next it passes through optical center. Then just try to observe that it appears to meet at back side. So just try here, it appears to meet. So we draw dotted line, and this after the refraction try to intersect here. So this is the image formed. So this is AB object, this is the height of AB object HO, this is the height side of the image HI, which is greater than the object side. This is A dash, B dash side. So nature is nature, and here now on the other side, on the object side, image is formed on the object side. Where object side in left side of the lens. That's why it is erect, virtual, A, D. Okay. Now this is U. This is image distance. That is V, which is also negative. In this case, which will be also negative. So this shows that here erect image, virtual images. That's why, and this lens, convex lens, magnifies the object, and that's why it is called magnifying lens. So convex lens is also known as magnifying lens because it magnifies the object if the object is kept between f1 and optical center within the focus of the lens. This is the cases of the image formed by convex lens, which will be more important in exam also. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.